Welcome back to my channel. Power tools can be a great asset in the workshop or on a job site, but their loud noises can be a nuisance. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to control noise in power tools and make them more pleasant to work with. Today, we're going to be talking about an issue that plagues many DIYers and construction workers: noise from power tools. Whether you're working in a crowded job site or just trying to avoid disturbing your neighbors, finding ways to control noise can be a challenge. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks for reducing noise from your power tools so you can work in peace and comfort. So, let's get started. Understanding the source of power tool noise. Before we look at how to reduce noise from power tools, it's important to understand where this sound comes from. Generally speaking, most of the noise created by power tools is due to inefficient engines that vibrate when turned on. This vibration radiates outwards and produces sound waves which we hear as noise. In addition, certain materials used for construction can also contribute to noise levels. For instance, metals tend to reflect sound waves better than wood or plastic, making them louder when using power tools with these materials. Ways to control noise in power tools. We know what causes tool noise, let's explore some ways you can control it. Here are some tips on how you can reduce noise in your power tools. Choose quieter tools. When possible, option for models that have been designed with quieter motors, such as brushless motors or direct drive motors. These types of motors tend to generate less vibration and therefore produce less noise overall. Use mufflers or silencers. Many power tools come with mufflers or silencers which help reduce the amount of noise they generate when running. These accessories fit onto the exhaust port of the engine and help muffle the sound that escapes from it. Wear hearing protection. If you're working in an area where there may be prolonged exposure to loud noises from power tools, then wearing hearing protection is an absolute must. There are many options available, such as earplugs and earmuffs, that can help protect your hearing from tool noise. Soundproof the workspace. If you're working in a workshop or job site, then soundproofing the area can help reduce noise levels considerably. This could involve adding insulation to walls and ceilings or even hanging curtains to absorb sound waves. That's it for today's video on controlling noise in power tools. By following the tips above, you can reduce noise levels and keep your workspace peaceful. Make sure to select quieter models of power tools, use mufflers or silencers, wear hearing protection, and soundproof your workspace for maximum noise reduction. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.